25-22, Adamson over NU in set number 1. And kung matatandaan natin, nung first meeting nila for this season, NU took set number 1. So,
yeah, that's right.
maybe nagkabaliktad ng fortunes. We'll see if NU bounces back big in set number 2.
All right, basically, NU started this match in the first set with a lot of confidence. We saw some good combination plays. Salibal was setting it pretty well. And again, Nepomuceno, being the dependable attacker that she is, really scored heavily whenever she's in the front line. But the defense of Adamson really kicked in. It picked up Zapanta with some good off-the-block shots. Pineda, of course, when she was in front, a couple of times she was blocked by the tall blockers of NU, but she found ways to score, whether hitting it off the block or just having an off-speed to confuse the defense of NU. Again, the more experienced players of Adamson like Pau Soriano and Kinlog really giving the extra needed boost for this Adamson Falcons to get that win. 14 attack points compared to only 9 for NU. Blocking department, wow, Adamson having no blocks. I'm sure they're gonna really look into that stat. How come they don't have any blocks? And sabi nga nila, they want to improve on that going here in the second round. Service aces 5 against 4. NU getting the advantage in that department. And unforced errors 7 against 6.
Parang tatlo yata si service aces kay Kai
Nepomuceno with the help of the tape.
The tape of the net.
That's true.
Right here inside the arena in San Juan, second round of eliminations of the volleyball tournament of season 74 of the UAAP. 4-4 is Adamson, while NU is at 1-7. The last 7 games were 7 losses for them. They run a rebound from that as Zapanta.
The only win that they got was that first one against UP.
UP, ano? Oo.
And after that, it seemed like the heavens just covered everything close on them, and wala, hindi na nakatikim ng panalo.
There were some close ones, nabanggit natin yun, like the last one against Adamson. It was a 5-setter, and in fact, set number 4, they could have won it all already, itong NU, pero they just couldn't seal the deal. 1-1, set number 2. Wow. You can't get any more perfect than that.
Yes, that was textbook. That was a designed play for Pau Soriano. Look at this. Quick play, ayan, perfect height. There were 2 blockers, but she didn't mind them. And perfect angle to the shot.
Salibad to Pablo with the left hand, tipping it over. Unprepared was the defense of Adamson.
Finding a way to get it over.
The set wasn't perfect, but Pablo, with all the talent and the physical attributes that she's been given, able to make something out of it. Let's see what happened in between sets in the huddle of Coach Pante as we check in with Trishka Echeverri.
Avoiding a repeat of their first round meeting by winning set 1, as what you said earlier, Eric. Coach Dulce is now asking for more energy and more effort. Takbo pa tayo, sipag pa sa pagtakbo. That set could have been one easier had the girls played with more presence of mind. They're looking to pile up on the points earlier in this set by playing sharper and smarter. According to Coach Dulce, more than hitting the ball hard, it's where you direct the ball to that's more important. Lastly, the girls were reminded that teamwork doesn't mean being dependent and waiting around for another teammate to receive. Let's be more active and take initiative. Eric and Ian.
Thank you, Trishka. Well, they're doing everything the right way, finding the angles and playing as a team. And right now, we're tied at 3-3 after that service error coming from Pau Soriano. Then comes an ace from Lady Bulldogs. And for the first time in this match, they have the lead by 1, 4-3 in set number 2.
Marzan with a service ace. I don't know what I'm in charge. Big black. What happened there?
I know. After serving an ace, serving it straight into the middle of the net. Hindi man lang sa tape sumabit. Ano?
Wala.
Salibad. Oh, nice save. The one-hander
naibalik
coming from Listana. Oh, perfect combination. Ooh, parang kape yun. Perfect.
Commercial yun.
5-4.
And Kai Nepomuceno hitting the net, no? Touching the net.
Ganda sana nung black, ano?
Oo, siradong-sirado. Ayun yun, kita mo yung reaction
She do it.
niya. Nang hinayang.
So, with that error, Adamson goes back on top by 1, 5-4. Ooh, that was very close to being 4 touches.
That's right.
Oh, there it is.
Okay, the call was a bit late, but it was the right call to make. No complaints from the players nor the coaches.
Nyla Pablo.
Angelica Quilog knew it when she let it go. Now
Yeah.
let's check in with Bianca Saldua.
Thanks, guys. You know, I think it is safe to say that Kai Nepomuceno's will to play for her team despite being hospitalized recently is a preview of how the team hasn't lost their fighting spirit. It was a good showing in their first set for the Lady Bulldogs, but they need to listen to Coach Francis when he says, "Wag kayo mataranta, may instructions gawin nyo." In the most composed voice he has, not to add any negative pressure that would hurt their drive. They might have lost their first set, pero tuloy pa rin ang laban, and Coach commends them on doing well, though he asked them to be more aggressive and give their all. Kumbaga, kailangan pilitin manalo at ibigay ang todo. Back to you, Eric and Ian.
Thank you, Bianca. Well, that is the key to really give it your all. Put in 110% in the game.
6-5, 7-5. Now a 2-point lead for NU. And again, Pineda has been controlled by the NU block. No, hirap na hirap siyang makapagpalusot ng bola in that outside position. And Makatuno is doing the right thing. Try to give the blockers, the defense of NU different looks. It's not going to be Pineda all the time. Lalo na ngayon na nababantayan at natatapatan siya.
Adamson's team captain,
Alcuino has had a lot of, good approaches and good attacks here. Good sets from Makatuno.
Perez. Makatuno tipping it over on the second touch. Salibad to Kai Nepomuceno, picked up by Quilog. They go to Pineda. Pineda's been a marked woman, but there are occasions pag nakakita siya ng butas, she'll be able to punch it through.
That's true.
Like this one.
Hitting it off the block. And Makatuno is such a relaxed setter, no? Talagang nakita mo, she's so calm. She works on her own pace. Pag dumating ng bola sa kanya, she's just going to set it straight. She's just a good setter right now, Makatuno.
And you, with an error of the cross court by Kai Nepomuceno, Adamson again takes us to the first timeout of set number 2, 8-7.